Hallo Kinder, seht ihr gern Fern? Genau das ist unser Thema im Modul 3, Lektion 3. Was gibt es im Fernsehen? Jetzt beginnen wir gleich mit dem Kursbuch. Kursbuch, Übung 1 bis 4 sind schon fertig. Jetzt machen wir weiter mit Übung 5. Erkennst du die Sendung? Erkennen means to recognize, to identify. Do you recognize these shows? The show. Here there are 8 shows, 8 types of shows in the 8 pictures. Hierzu und bring die Sendungen in die richtige Reihenfolge. Listen and bring the shows in the correct order. Now, how to identify the order? By listening to the audio. There is an audio. We have to listen to the audio, and then in that audio, in which sequence they are being played, in that way we have to order them. Now, in each audio we have a part of these shows. A small audio part of each show is being played. Okay, before we listen to the audio, let us read each and every show's name or show's type and revise what they actually mean. So the quiz show. Das ist schon klar. Quiz show is quiz show. Here the picture is of Wer wird Millionär? कौन बनेगा करोड़पति? The German version. That picture they have added over here. B. Die Nachrichten. From the image also you can guess. Nachrichten means news. C. Der Film. Film means film. D. Die Zeichentrickserie means animation serial. You can see this is a Pokemon show. A. Der Dokumentarfilm. Documentary film, as I explained earlier also, it is not a fictional film, it is a non-fiction film. It is based on real life incidents which are shot in the camera, and then a film is made out of it. F. Das Kulturprogramm. Cultural program, so music, dance, etc. comes under das Kulturprogramm. G. Der Krimi. Der Krimi is normally a thriller serial or movie. Mystery serial or thriller serial or a movie. H. Die Sportsendung. Die Sportsendung means sports show. So here if you can see, it is about a racing show. Okay. So we have understood the meanings. Now we will listen to the audio and we will bring them in the correct order. How they are played in that audio, in which sequence. For example, first one they have already marked. The Zeichentrickserie is the first one. Now let us see what follows.
Modul 3, Lektion 3. Was gibt es im Fernsehen? Erkennst du die Sendung?
Nummer 1.
Das schwöre ich krieg die Panzerknarre aus meinem Geldspeicher raus, und wenn's mich meine letzte Kreuzer kostet. Der sich jetzt dummerweise in ihrem Besitz befindet.
Nummer 2.
Ist eh wurscht. Ja, ist eh wurscht, weil es eh richtig.
Nummer 3.
Die fehlenden Teile, Miss Parker. Die fehlenden Teile.
Nummer 4.
Dein Großvater ist der Überzeugung, dass Georges richtiger Vater jetzt wieder Zeit für seinen Sohn hat, und deshalb kann er sich jetzt um dich kümmern.
Was?
Hast du schon bemerkt, dass du 6 Geschwister hast, und zwar Brüder?
Nummer 5.
Hier ist das erste deutsche Fernsehen mit der Tagesschau.
Nummer 6. Nummer 7.
Aufnehmer 1 liegt Österreich. Holte sich der Pro-Drive Ferrari in seinem zweiten Einsatz die erste Pole Position. Viel Verbesserung an der Aerodynamik.
Nummer 8.
So, could you bring them in the correct order? So, the correct order is told in the next audio. Okay, the next exercise, Übung 6, zur Controller. Zur Controller means for checking our answer, to correct our answer. Okay, here zu und Sprechschnack. So, in the next audio, you will be able to listen to the correct sequence also, to correct your answer. And you also have to simultaneously repeat after that person for pronunciation's sake. Okay, so you'll practice pronunciation of these names as well as you will correct your answer based on the sequence.
Zur Kontrolle. Hör zu und sprich nach.
Nummer 1. Die Zeichentrickserie.
Nummer 2. Die Quizshow.
Nummer 3. Der Krimi.
Nummer 4. Der Film.
Nummer 5. Die Nachrichten.
Nummer 6. Der Dokumentarfilm.
Nummer 7. Die Sportsendung.
Nummer 8. Das Kulturprogramm.
Now, this next exercise is about telling about our own favorite shows and asking about other person's favorite shows. So this Stefan, what is he saying? Ich sehe gern Filme und Sportsendungen. So which shows he likes? Film and sports shows. Und du? Was siehst du gern? What do you like to see? So it is very simple. This is a row exercise, Reihenübung. A will ask B, B will answer and then ask further to C. C will answer and ask further to D. So on and so forth it goes on. That is why it is called a row exercise, Reihenübung. Fragt und antwortet. What do we have to ask? First we have to tell about our favorite show and then ask about the other person's favorite show. Ich sehe gern Quiz-Shows. Okay? We have to use plurals over here. Ich sehe gern Quiz-Shows. Was siehst du gern? Ich sehe gern Sportsendungen. Was siehst du gern? Ich sehe gern, and so on and so forth. Okay, we'll practice this in our online session. Right hand side grammatic, we can see a box. There they have given us the conjugation of sehen, which we already know. We have to use the correct conjugation of sehen while doing this exercise. Übung 8. Welche Sendung ist das? Spielt Mini-Dialoge wie im Beispiel. So we will come to the dialogue part later. First, 1 bis 8. Das sind die Sendungen. And A to H, these are the types of shows. So we have to match the correct show to the correct show type, to the correct genre. For example, the fourth one they have already marked. Treffpunkt Kultur. Das ist ein Kulturprogramm. Okay. Similarly, we have to match the other ones also. So you can pause the video for a while over here. And you can think to yourself and match the pairs. So could you match all of them? Let us see. First one, Tatort. Das ist ein Film. A. Nummer 2. ZDF-Expedition Mount Everest. Das ist ein Dokumentarfilm. Nummer 3. Harry Potter und der Halbblut-Prinz. You know this show already? Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince. It is a German version of that. Das ist ein Krimi, a thriller movie. Nummer 4, Treffpunkt Kultur, das ist ein Kulturprogramm. Nummer 5, Sportstudio. Das ist eine Sportsendung. Nummer 6, Pokémon ist eine Zeichentrickserie. Nummer 7, Wer wird Millionär? Das ist ein Quizshow. Und Tagesschau, das sind Nachrichten, News. Okay? Simple this was. Now we have to form the dialogues like in the example. We have to name the show and then ask, was ist das? Okay? So, in this video we already discussed the types of shows, but we can discuss the answers like in the example. Tatort, was ist das? Das ist ein Film. Nummer 2. ZDF Expedition Mount Everest. Was ist das? Das ist ein Dokumentarfilm. Now, we have to pay attention to ein and eine. If the noun is neutral or masculine, you are going to say ein. And if it is feminine, you are going to say eine. If it is plural, you will not say anything. For example, Sportstudio, was ist das? Das ist eine Sportsendung. Now, Sportsendung is feminine, so we'll say eine. But Tagesschau, was ist das? Das sind Nachrichten. Now, Nachrichten is plural. So, we will say das sind Nachrichten. Okay? Simple. We will discuss the answers in the dialogue form in the online session. Jetzt kommen wir zur Übung 9. Lies das Fernsehprogramm auf Seite 20 noch einmal. We have to read the TV schedule given on page number 20 once again. Such 2 Beispiele. Search for 2 examples. So here they have given some categories: Sender, Sportsendung, Nachrichten, etc. And we have to find at least 2 examples for these categories from the schedule given. For example, Sender means channels. So 2 examples of channels, very simple. ARD, Z, RTL, Satpunkt 1, all these are examples. You can write any 2. Sportsendung means sport show. So we have Sportschau and Heute Sport. 2 shows are there in ARD and ZDF regarding sports. Then we have Nachrichten. Nachrichten examples can be Tagesschau, Tagesthemen, etc. Then we have Serie. Serie means serial. So we have Tatort as one of the serials. Then we have their Alter in ZDF. So these are 2 examples. You can find for more and other serials also if you find them. Then we have Zeichentrickserie, means animation serial. So we have Dragon Ball Z and Pokemon as 2 examples. Then we have Krimi film. We have Kommissar Beck. Then we have Tatort. Then we have their Alter. So it can be either serial or film, but it has to be thriller. So all these 2 of these examples you can write. Quiz show. For quiz show we have Wer wird Millionär and also Quiz Fire. These 2 shows are there of quiz. And the last category is Magazine. Magazine is actually an informative show. Like we have Discovery, History, Geographic channels. Like that show. It might come every day or might not come on a daily basis, but it is based on a particular topic. For example, history or health or fashion. So it is based on a particular topic. Okay, that is called magazine. What examples of magazine do we have here? we have Vicens Magazine, Morgan Magazine, Boulevard Magazine, Frühstücks Fernsehen. All these are based on a particular topic and they are broadcasted in an informative way. Okay? Then below, if you see, we have a dialogue. Meine Lieblingssendung ist Kommissar Beck. So Kommissar Beck, as we know from the schedule, it is a thriller movie, Krimi. So meine Lieblingssendung ist Kommissar Beck. Was ist deine Lieblingssendung? What is your favorite TV show? Okay? So what shows you watch, according to that you can answer. And we can have this dialogue in the online session. Was ist deine Lieblingssendung? For example, I can say, my Sendung ist Wer wird Millionär? Kaun Banega Crorepati, the German version. Or you can say Kaun Banega Crorepati also, if you watch in Hindi. Okay? So any particular show that you like, you can write over here. Okay? Quite simple.